On this particular occasion, I had a young man, a young male, who's about 22, came out of prison on a Friday before the bank holiday, which does create problems for us in that they have to travel perhaps from out of Wales back to their hometown. In this instance, it was Coen Bay. This young person was unable to return to the family home because of previous offences. Was not able to gain access to local housing through the council on that day. And because it's a Friday afternoon, it's very difficult to access any kind of help, if you like, after 5 o'clock on a Friday. Our unit were able to finance bed and breakfast for the weekend. I was able to provide him with a mobile phone with my contact details for support over the weekend. And also Conway, I put an application in for Conway food, a food parcel, which was obviously fed him over the weekend. The outcomes were positive in his case, in that over the weekend he didn't commit crime to feed himself or just to live, which was, knowing the history of the individual, would have been highly likely if he hadn't received that help. Moving on from that, he was able to access benefits with our help because he has learning disabilities as well. So literacy skills, were inadequate to fill in the forms and everything that he needed to do. So I was able to help him with that. It means that I'm able to provide up-to-date advice for them rather than signposting too much, which can cause a lot of problems for them because of transport and communication skills. So I see that it's a real positive, and also I'm able to cascade train to other colleagues, so to spread the word really of the service. So the training I've had has been really beneficial for me and my clients.